Hey, this is goinggear.com, and today we're going to take a look at WetFire, which is an odorless and non-toxic fire starting tinder from Ultimate Survival Technologies. Got a little piece of it that I opened up earlier. I've got about a third of it left, so we're going to use that for the video. If you've got relatively dry ground or a piece of wood that you're trying to light this stuff on, what you can do is just take and crumble off a little bit of it and crumble that up into little pieces and just do a little pile. That's really all you need if you've got a relatively well prepared fire, or a tinder bundle or anything like that, because it really doesn't take that much of this stuff to get something going. So we're going to use the Sparky, also from Ultimate Survival Technologies. You just stick it down in there, and you can see how easy this stuff is to light. It'll burn for a pretty decent amount of time, so like I said, you only need a little bit of it to get your fire going. We're going to go ahead and put that out, and then we're going to take the rest of the chunk and show you how it does with water. So I put it in a little cup of water. You can see that it actually floats, which is nice. I'm gonna actually dunk it down in there, get it nice and wet, and I'll let it go. You can see that it still floats. So take it out of there, shake it off, dry it off just a little bit on my shorts, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna take and crumble off a little bit of it, and then put a little pile of it, and we're gonna get that lit. Just gonna crumble off a little piece of it. Get a pile of it, stick the Sparky down in there, there we go. In the bright sunlight it's actually kind of hard to see if it's lit or not, so I'm going to take and put the larger chunk in there as well so I can show you how it really does with water. So now that we got that larger chunk lit, we're going to take the water and just pour it on it or alongside it, and you can see that as long as the top of it stays dry, then it'll just actually keep on burning. So if you've got really wet ground or something really wet that you're trying to light, stuff is great for it, because it's not going to soak up the moisture or anything like that, and you just got to keep the top of it dry to keep it going. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can reach me in the comments or at goinggear.com.